So migration to metros have become evident for quality education, because when we look especially to the area there where we are working, there you will see that the education pattern is not yet that much developed. In that case, would you give some scope over this, wherein the education pattern would be developed? One, as you spoke about entrepreneurship, even that can be changed. So what is that we can really work over?
See, migration, as I referred, is a major problem and which is not good for the overall development of the country. And therefore, as I said, we need to create courses and create entrepreneurs throughout the country. Now, how to do this? Because as you very rightly said that everybody is pulled to the metros and city areas for quality education. Now, at the end of the day, all the haves are, in terms of educational system, all the haves are in the metros and have nots are in the rural area. Now, we will have to reduce this gap. This is a Herculean task. How to reduce this gap is going to decide whether really the India is going to become a superpower or not. Only by increasing our GDP we are not going to become superpower, because that GDP, unless it gets distributed equally throughout the country, we will not become superpower. It will be a lopsided development which will be more dangerous than what it is today. So I think for solving this problem of migration also, education, quality education, how it can reach the rural areas, we have to work on that. For that, now I think the best way forward is taking the technology help. Now technology is moving very fast. We are seeing every day different things happening. Even you have the projectors which are of mobile size, even the mobiles can project. I think we will have to use this technology to get this quality disparity reduced between the metros and the rural areas, because at the end of the day, if we are able to achieve this, then the quality education also will reach rural areas and nobody will have, they will create the entrepreneurs there who will be able to get employment there in their area itself, because actually if you see, emotionally nobody wants to leave their own area and go. Out of pressure for quality, they are all coming to the metro areas. If we are able to get that similar quality to the rural areas by using the technology, I think we will be able to solve this problem.